Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in the additional newspaper of Monday, March the 23rd. In this Sudoku with 2 stars, I think it's easy because there are a lot of digits here, numbers. So let's get started with this Sudoku 2 stars. Alright, and let's begin with the one in this row, one in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for one should be here and there. But I see here one, so no one there. One should be here. One in this column, one in the middle column. So on the column next, the only two places for one is here and there. But I see here one, no one there. One should be here. One in this row, one in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for one should be here and there. But I see here one, no one there. One should be here. One in this column, one in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for one is here and there. But I see here a one, so no one there. Only place for the one is here. One in the last row, one in the row above. So in this row, the only three places for one is here, here or there. But I see here one, no one there. Here one, no one there. So the only place for the one should be here. And all the ones are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 3 in this row, a 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for 3 is here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. In the last row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, so no 3 here. Here also a 3, so no 3 there. Here also a 3, so no 3 there. Here a 3, no 3 here. Here a 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. Okay, I cannot continue with the 3, so let's see with the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for an 8 is here and there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers, one of the missing number is an 8. I see there an 8, so no 8 in those two boxes. One box left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places for an 8 is here and there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for an 8 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 8, so let's see with another digit 5. Can I do something with the 5? Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see there 5, so no 5 in those two boxes. I see there 5, so no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So in the third row, we have a 5 in one of those two boxes. In the first row, we have a 5 over there. So in the row between, the only one place left for the 5 should be here. Yes. Then 7. Let me think. These These two boxes left for this big square are the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7, 4, and 2. No, we have a 4 there. 7, 2, and 6 are missing. 7, 2, and 6. I see here 7 and a 2, so no 7 and a 2 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the 6. Here we have a pair 7 and 2, 7 and 2. Yes, 7 and 2. Two boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3 are missing. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for 3 is here and there. But we see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Two and 6. No. All right. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be this one. These 3 numbers are left for this column are the numbers 2, 7, 2, 7, and 8. 2, 7, and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. That means these 3 numbers are the numbers 4, 5, and 6. 4 and 5 and 6. Remember that I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4, 5, and 6. 2 and 7, 2 and 7, remember that, 2 and 7. These 3 numbers, 4, 9, and 4, 9, and 6. 4, 9, and 6. Can I fill the 5 here? No. I need more numbers. The 8 could be here in one this 2, 7, and 8 we have here. 2 and 7. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Ooh, here cannot be a 7. These three numbers are the numbers 1, no, 2, 4 and 7, 2, 4 and 7, 2, 4 and 7, 2, 4 and 7, 2, 4, 7, 7 need to be here, 7, 7, 4 and the 2. Where are the 2s? I can't believe it. Only 1 2? Here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. Yes, so we have a 2 in this column, a 2 in these 2 boxes, and the 2 should be one of these 3 boxes. Here cannot be a 2. Here could be a 2, okay. No, we have a 2 over there, so here cannot be a 2. So 2, these 2 boxes could be a 2. Yes. 2, 1, 2, 3, 8 and 9. Do we have here 3 and 9? No. 2 and 6. We need a 6. These 3 boxes then in this column for the numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 6 and the 4 and the 6. The 4 and the 6. I see here the 4 and the 6. 2, 4 and 6. So no 4 and a 6 here because we have a 4 and a 6 here. So this must be a 2. That means we have a 2 in one of those 3 boxes. We have a 2 in one of these 2 boxes in this column. So in the last column, the 2 could be here, here, or there. But we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. 7 and 4. 7 and 4 are missing. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers here for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the 3rd row, 9 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places for 9 should be here and or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. These 2 were 7 and 2. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 6. These 2 numbers left for the numbers 7 and 5. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 and 5. 1 digit left in this column for the number 6, I believe. 6 is missing, yes, in this column. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in this row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 digit left in this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the number 7 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 5. Now we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 2 digit left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for the number 4, I believe. Yes, 4 is missing. Then here 2 numbers left for this first row for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then we go to and do we have a 6? Yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there, but I see here already a 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 box is missing in this last column for the number 5. Then in these 3 boxes of this row, the missing numbers are 2, 5, and 8. 2, 5, and 8. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. Here 5, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be here. The 8 and the 2 are missing in this row. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 7 and the 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then missing numbers in this big square. The 2 missing numbers of this big square are the 8 and the 7. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 4. No, 4 I have the 2. The 2 is missing, and the 5 is missing, the last number of this big square. So we finished this in 18 minutes for a 2 stars Sudoku. Thumbs up if you like it, otherwise thumbs down. You can subscribe if you want, or if you like. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Rest me to say thank you for now, and I will see you in a minute with the 3 stars Sudoku. So bye bye for now, and see you later.